To adjust the gears on your mountain bike, you'll need a multi-tool or a hex key set. Before starting, make sure you're in gear 1 on your front gear, the smallest cog on your crankset. Make sure the barrel adjuster on the front is screwed all the way in, and then unscrew this bolt on the front derailleur, like so, to allow the cable to be free. Then, make sure the front derailleur is 3 mm above the crankset, and ensure it's in line with the cogs by using this indicator. Ensure the cable is in place and tight, and then we can get the limit screw set up. If you don't do this, the lower one will cause the chain to go into the frame, and the higher one will cause the chain to come off. The lower limit screw is needed for the low cogs adjustment, and that's what we're going to be doing first. So pop yourself into the top gear on the rear gears. Just run the chain through and check it's not touching the side of the derailleur, and then click through your gear selection to the top gear. As you do that, make sure you don't get this sound, the sound of it catching on the lower end. Screw that in and adjust like so you don't hear that noise. Now that it isn't catching, move on to the higher end. Push the front derailleur. You can see there's still a gap which will need screwing up, otherwise the chain will come off when we reassemble. Now screw the barrel adjuster all the way in. Finally, screw the cable back in down here. To test the cable tension, start on the highest gear and work up. If it doesn't change up, add more tension. If it overchanges, reduce the tension. If you'd like help adjusting your gears, pop into your local Halfords, where a professionally trained member of the team will be happy to help you.